Hello children, in this video I am going to explain you features of business. As you know already that business is an economic activity and its main purpose is to earn profit. So what are the features it has? So first is the sell, transfer and exchange of goods and services. Sell, transfer or exchange of goods and services. So whenever there will be business, there will be exchange of something. It may be goods, it may be services for consideration of money. Business is not for the charity, but it is always for the purpose of money, for acquiring wealth or for earning profit. So this is what is the first feature of business: sell, transfer or exchange of goods and services. Our second point is regular dealing. Business is a continuous process. If there is a single activity, it cannot be called as a business. Whenever there will be business, there should be constant dealing. Suppose you have sold your old newspaper and you got 100 rupees. Do you think that is a business? No. Why it is not a business? Because it is a single activity. But you took it as a business. Regularly you sell your paper and use for further buying the newspaper, then it will be considered as business. So this is what the second let us take another example. You have an old scooter and you sold it for 10,000 rupees. Though it is an economic activity, but it cannot be considered as business only because it is not a regular dealing. So second point is also very important. Business is a continuous process. It is a regular dealing. A single activity cannot be called as a business. Third is dealing in goods and services. Whenever there is a business, there will be dealing of goods and services. Services means idea, opinion. Suppose you visit a consultant. He has not sold you anything. He took money for that. He has got you have paid some fees for that consultancy fees. So that will be also considered as business. Next is the profit motive. Whenever there is a business, its first and most important objective is to earn profit. A business, if it for a number of years, if it does not earn profit regularly, the business will come to an end. So this is also an important objective of business. Our next point is creation of utilities. Whenever there is a business, they used to create form utilities, place utilities, store utilities, time utilities and the risk. So all these things created by the business. Suppose when you are going to produce the goods and you have to send the goods from manufacturer to producer, you need a person. So this person form will be created by this place utility will be created by business. Same way you have to create the place utility, time utility as well as the risk. You have to cover up the risk. So all these are done by business. Whenever there is a business, it will have the creation of utilities, form utility, place utility. The next most important point is element of risk. Whether the business is large or small, whether the business is modern or traditional, in all the cases, business used to involve risk. No risk, no gain. And that's why if you are going to opt a business, you are going to start a business, one thing, make it sure that if you don't have capacity to take risk, you will not able to earn gain. And that's why business, all type of business, whether it is old or new, modern or traditional, all type of business used to consider they are the element of risk. Business is an economic activity. All the activity of business, buying and selling, transportation, warehousing, insurance, advertisement, whichever activity you will take, that will be measured in terms of money, and that's why business is an economic activity. Let us once again revise all the points or features of business: sell, transfer or exchange of goods and services. Business is a regular dealing. A single activity cannot be called as a business. For that you have to there should be continuous process of buying and selling. It deals with goods and services. Motive, the most important objective of business to earn profit. They used to create place utility, time utility, and businesses, whether it is a new or old, modern or traditional, they involve risk, and business is an economic activity. Whatever you consider as a business, it will always have a, it should be measured. All the transaction will be measured in terms of money, and that's why it is considered as an economic